Good morning, dear students. Some of your friends have come with some doubts on the problem on valuation of a old building. So today I am going to make the video on how to calculate the annual installment of sinking fund of an old building with a sample of example here. So let me start with a problem. Here you can read out the question here. A person has purchased an old building at a cost of rupees 6 lakh on the basis that the cost of land is 2,50,000 rupees and cost of structure is rupees 3,50,000. Considering the future life of the building structure be 18 years, they have told us to work out the amount of annual sinking fund at 4% interest. So what they have told us to calculate? They have told us to calculate how much will be the sinking fund every year. Means I have in the previous video I have explained to you what is sinking fund. Sinking fund is the annual sinking fund is nothing but it is the amount accumulated every year for the replacement of the old building. Okay, so they have told us to calculate how much will be the annual sinking fund till 18 years. Okay, so they have given to calculate, work out the amount of annual sinking fund at 4% interest when scrap value is 12% of the cost of the building. So how much is the scrap value? Scrap value is 12% of the cost of the building. So how much was the cost of building? The cost of building was 3,50,000. Okay, then the question arises, what is scrap value? So scrap value is nothing but it is the value of the materials after the dismantling of the building. So ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಹಳೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೆಮಾಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಆ ಡೆಮಾಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ರೀಸೈಕಲೇಬಲ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, so here we have to calculate by using the given data like cost of the building 3,50,000. Okay, life of the building that is 18 years, rate of interest on sinking fund 4% and scrap value 12%. By using these data we have to calculate the annual installment of the sinking fund, that is every year how much amount should be accumulated as a sinking fund. That value we have to calculate. Now we have to calculate the how much amount should be reserved for the replacement of the building, and that reservation of every year amount is called as a sinking fund. Okay, so let us first list out the given data. Okay, so I have early only listed the given data. So what are datas they have given? They have given, so if you look at carefully, they have given cost of the building. So how much is the cost of the building? The cost of the building is 3,50,000. So don't get confused. Sir, initially they have mentioned 6 lakh, then how you have taken 3,50,000 as the cost of the building? So carefully look at the problem. They have given the total value of the building. In this 6 lakh, okay, in this 6 lakh, 2,50,000 is the cost of the land there. It is not cost of the building, it is the cost of the land. And out of 6 lakh, if 2.5 lakh goes as the cost of land, then the remaining 3,50,000 will be the cost of the structure, that is cost of the building. Understood? So what is the cost of the building? The cost of the building is 3,50,000. It is the given data. Next, what is the life of the building they have mentioned? They have mentioned the life of the building as 18 years. Let me take that 18 years equal to small n. Okay. Next, what they have mentioned? Rate of interest on sinking fund. Okay, rate of interest on sinking fund is indicated as small I, and how much was that? It was around 4%, and 4% is nothing but 4 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.04. It is the rate of interest small I on sinking fund. Okay, next what they have given? They have given scrap value. So scrap value, how much they have given scrap value? It is 12% of the cost of the building. Nama cost of the building yesterday, the cost of the building is 3,50,000, and 12% of this will become the scrap value. Okay, so next further, let us further go for the calculation. Okay, so next, if you substitute the scrap to calculate the scrap value, so how much was the scrap value? The scrap value was 12% of cost of the building. So if you substitute in the formula, scrap value will become is equal to 12 divided by 100 into 3,50,000. So how much will become scrap value? It will become around rupees 42,000. So 42,000 is the scrap value. Okay, next, after calculating the scrap value, next we need to calculate the total amount of sinking fund to be accumulated at the end of 18 years. Okay, so the life of the structure is 18 years they have given. So by the end of that 18 years,